Show them the lake. Where is he? Oh, it's right there. Say hi, Alex. Say hi. We're at the lake, so we have to be really quiet because we're at the nature church right now. Shut up. I'm praying. People are praying to, what's it called? What do we pray to? Yeah, Allah. Mashallah. Do you want to talk about the birds that you're seeing? So we're looking at some birds right now. I've seen some birds on jump, but I want to see I have bad eyesight. Okay, I literally only ever see birds when James is here. But right now, I have to vlog because that's my job.
Who's the one vlogging?
No, I have to create content. I have to be creative director. I have to make it happen.
I understand.
Yeah. Okay.
Like it is moving, but it's very hard to see its movement. But when it takes time to move. So when you
that's the called bird we just saw. Everyone's been saying black and yellow, black and yellow. No, it's actually Ripple's crowd. Robin chats.
I'm scared now.
Can I hold it?
I'm out of it.
Look at this, bro.
No, don't hold
I won't eat it.
No.
Why can't I touch it? I won't touch the white stuff.
No.
Okay.
Even I'm scared right now.
Then why are you touching it? Put it down. You smell really good, vlog. What is this called?
This is an interview.
Benedict.
Dio.
Habari yako?
So fun.
Habari.
Nzuri.
Unajisikiaje?
Salama. Ndege wengi mbili na maji.
Ndio.
Miti.
Safi sana. Umechoka?
Hapana kabisa.
Oh, safi sana. Habari Sam? Anakula.
Nzuri sana.
Unajisikiaje?
Salama.
Safi sana. Habari videographer?
Stop.
Habari Osa?
Salama.
Unapenda kuwa hapa?
Huh?
Unapenda?
Nina penda nyani.
Ndio.
Nina penda, how do you say tree?
Miti?
Miti. Nyani. Oh, wait, that's a big nyani. What the hell?
What are we looking?
Nyani. Mkubwa.
Where?
Umemwona yule pale?
Yule ni nyani mkubwa.
Yule.
What?
Umemwona? Bado?
What?
Angalia hapa katikati.
There?
No, hapana, hapa. Hapana. You see these two trees? Haleju. Umemwona?
Okay, there's a monkey right there.
Yeah, like where?
So we stop to look at. Oi! Tumbili.
Vlogging.
Yeah. Hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
I don't know if you can see us right now, but we got Sparletta. By the ship by the lake. I don't like stuff. I don't like a decline. I only incline. I only go up.
That was a struggle of a walk for you.
I don't ever go down. I feel like every walk we do is a bit of a struggle for me, if I'm going to be completely honest.
Yeah, it's true.
Hola vlog, soy yo, Nicolás Silvestre Martínez. Estamos aquí en the hub.
Wo den Ananas ganz tief im Meer. Saustark